Hello everyone, Namaste Sabalai. So finally on the journey of capturing the top 5 park of Berlin, today we are here at Brandenburg Gate and our main motive to capture is not the Brandenburg Gate but today the Tiergarten, which is about 2 meter walk from here, and we are right now heading towards the park. So this Brandenburg Gate, which you are seeing here, is the most visited place in Berlin. Not only in Berlin, but the most visited place by tourists in whole Germany. And the park we are heading towards is on the right. Let's head towards this park. So we need to wait till the lights turn into green. It's the most busy road here. So as you can see, the light has turned green. So finally we reached in the Tiergarten, Gross Tiergarten. As New York have Central Park and London Hyde Park, this is the most visited park here in Berlin, which covers the area of almost 510 hectares, which is bigger than the Central Park in New York. And if you see the people here with taking off their whole clothes and taking sun bath, don't be shocked off. It's normal here and it's widely acceptable. The park here was used as a hunting reserves before the World War, and you can see here the sculptures made during the time of Frederick William III. So this is the place where people come to recharge their battery after being tired from shoppings and walks. Most of the bicyclists or tourists, after moving around city centers, Brandenburg tours, Potsdamer Platz, come here to take sun baths. And here is also one lake. I'll take you to the lake. It's not too big, but it's always surrounded by the tourists because of its beauty. Here are some rocks which was built on the memory of many soldiers who gave up their life during their Second World War. So you can see stones which are laid on the memory of the soldiers who gave up their life for the sake of their country. And from here we are moving towards the river, a small river-like structure which is not natural but made by the authorities of their park to make the beauty of this park more attractive. And there you can also see one tower-like structure which is called Victoria Tower. It's not too wide from here, so let's take the walk. So you can see many cyclists here enjoying the sun bath today. The weather is really nice. So finally we came to the lake we are talking about. And for Berliners, this Tiergarten Park is a city green lungs, you can tell it, because of its huge area, which is almost about 400 hectares. So, and this tower was built on the memory of Beethoven. So here you can see his images and sculptures and the font we are talking about. You can see people enjoying in the sun bath. Let us take you to the river. So because of its natural beauty, it's the most favorite place for most of the cyclists, joggers, walkers, as well as those who are just tired of the day full of walk. Yeah, you can see the dogs. So the name I was talking about, Frederick William II, the sculptures built for him, you can see here. So finally we reached to the river. Finally, after capturing most of the beautiful places of this park, we are about to end the video, and finally I would like to take you to the angel, which actually is built on the name of the baby who was died in 1983. And you can see the natural beauty. Looks like rhododendron, but this is a hybrid flower, which are even the leaves are colorful. Finally, we are about to the end of the videos, and hope will be some best of the parks in Berlin in fourth videos. Till then, take care, take your family safe from the corona, and please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you, bye bye.